everyone, welcome back to the channel. Need to transfer money from Tymebank to Capitec but don't have access to the Tymebank app? No worries, in this video I'll show you how to transfer money from Tymebank to Capitec without the app using USSD or internet banking. So let's get started. If you don't have internet, you can transfer money using USSD through dialing 120543 hashtag on your phone. Now select option 3, send money. Choose option 2, send to bank account, and enter the recipient's Capitec account number. Enter the amount you want to send and confirm the transaction and enter your Tymebank PIN when prompted. Wait for an SMS confirmation of the successful transfer. Now this method works on any basic phone and does not require internet connection. If you have access to a computer or web browser, you can use Tymebank's online banking browser version. So to do that, go to their website and click on the login button. Enter your login credentials. Click on Pay and Transfer. Select Pay Someone and enter the recipient's Capitec account number and select Capitec as the bank. Type in the amount you want to send, confirm the details, and enter your OTP sent to your phone. Click Confirm and the transaction will be processed. Transfers from Tymebank to Capitec usually take within minutes for immediate payments, 1 to 2 business days for standard EFT, and may take longer to effect during weekend or holiday transfers. And that's how you can transfer money from Tymebank to Capitec without the app, whether you're using USSD or online banking. Both methods are simple and convenient. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more banking tips.